This video is for you if you've been wondering what affiliate marketing is, where and how you can get started. By the end of this video, you will have a head start on affiliate marketing. It will no longer sound utopian to you. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online. And this is probably going to be one of the most important videos I have posted on this channel. I understand that it's not everybody that wants to start their own business. So this is a great way you can start without committing to all of those business processes. You can do affiliate marketing from anywhere in the world. This is free education. Like this video so it can reach a wider audience. And subscribe to the channel. This is my inspiration. Sasanga, that means thank you. So get a notepad and a pen because class is in session. Affiliate marketing is a business model that allows you to promote other people's products or services and get paid a commission when someone clicks on your affiliate link and purchases that product or service. Basically, you get paid a piece of the pie of the money. As a matter of fact, in most affiliate programs, you get paid more than a piece of a pie. You get paid by basically talking about someone else's products or service. With affiliate marketing, it's honestly optional to show your face or not. You can choose to show your face, you can choose to go faceless. I have created a group for serious-minded individual who wants to earn passive income through affiliate marketing. So if you'd like to join this private community, send me a message on WhatsApp using the link in the description. Please, this is not for everybody. This is for serious-minded people only. So in a nutshell, this is how the system works. You post about a product or a service on your platform. A customer clicks on your unique link. The customer is sent to the ABC store through your affiliate link. The person makes a purchase of that product on the store. The affiliate network records the purchase and details of the transaction. The transaction is credited. You get paid your commission, rinse and repeat. And the circle continues when another person clicks on the link. So if you really want to be successful as an affiliate marketer, then you want to answer these questions. I asked you to get your notepad and your pen. Number one, what product do I want to promote? Who is my target audience? Where is my target audience? TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest. How do I get their attention and make them buy this product? I promise you, if you answer those questions correctly and intentionally, you are on your way to making passive income weekly. These are questions I answered myself. So this video will help you answer those questions. If you skip any parts, that's on you. You will get nothing. But I want you to get something, so stay with me. There are three parts of a successful affiliate system. Number one is the merchant. The merchant is also called the creator, the seller, the owner of the product, the vendor. They are the first part of the affiliate marketing business. The second part is the affiliate marketer, which is you and me, who promotes the products or multiple products so that we can get traffic, clients or buyers to the products created by the seller or the vendor. Now to the third part, which is the buyer. Without these people, there will be no affiliate marketing. They are the consumer of the products. They are the ones that will buy the products so that we can get paid a commission before you can say you're making money online. You get it? I hope so. If you do, drop a comment saying I understand or I get it or yes. Just let me know you understand what I am saying. If you have a personal question, let's chat on WhatsApp. The link is in the description. Now let's move on. We have blogging, email list, social marketing, and video marketing. Now let's start with blogging. Blogging is a popular method for affiliate marketing because it allows you to create content around products or services you're promoting. You can start a blog for free using platforms like WordPress or Blogger. By writing helpful and informative articles related to your niche and incorporating affiliate links within your content, you can attract readers interested in your recommendations and earn commissions when they make purchase through your unique link. Building an email list is another effective strategy for affiliate marketing. You can create lead magnets such as free ebooks, guides, courses, template to offer valuable content to your audience in exchange for their email addresses. Once you have the list of subscribers, you can regularly send them newsletters, emails containing affiliate links to the products or services you are promoting. Video marketing is next. Platforms like YouTube gives you access to create free content to your audience, free valuable content, product reviews, tutorials, or demonstrations related to your niche, and include affiliate links in the description or directly in the video, somewhere here or here. For social marketing, you can create a profile or pages on Facebook, Instagram to share valuable content related to the niche of the product you're promoting. We're going to talk about niche much later. So these methods require dedication, consistency, and focus on providing valuable content to your audience. While they may not require upfront investment, they do require time and effort to build and maintain. Now we've gotten that out of the way, let's talk about the processes you need to follow as a newbie in affiliate marketing. 5 processes, no, this is 10. 5 processes. Number 1, choose a niche. You need to choose a niche that you are passionate about, one that you're interested in. This will make it easier for you to create content that your audience can resonate with. Remember, this is not something you just want to do in a month or two. This is something, except you're not serious, this is something that you're going to take for the long haul. So you need to choose a niche that you're actually interested in. Don't choose a niche because that's where everybody is going to, because you must create content about the product or the service you are promoting. So choose one that you're interested in. That way you stay motivated to create content about the product, even on days you don't feel like it. Trust me on this one. Some of the niche you can opt for are business and investing, cooking, entertainment, finance, health and fitness, relationship. You know what you're passionate about. You know what you can create content for like in the next 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. Again, if you're serious about this, you need to choose a niche you're interested in, except you're not serious. Okay, moving on to the next process, which is choosing an affiliate program. Popular affiliate marketplaces such as Amazon Associates, big banks, biggest stores have restrictions for some countries. So please check the list of countries that are restricted on these platforms so that you don't waste your time. I know Nigeria is restricted in some of these platforms. In most of these platforms like ClickBank, I know Nigeria is restricted. And I think there are people that are using VPN. I don't know how they're doing it yet. When I do, I will definitely share it with you. But for now, go for platforms that accept your country. Okay, I told you in this video how I just started affiliate marketing, and one of you even dropped a comment that I should create this video. So as a beginner in affiliate marketing, I started with Jumia, but I wanted more. A platform where I can promote digital products that I am actually interested in. So I got a course. I will leave the link in the description and in the comment section for you if you're interested, if you're serious about this. This course did not only give me the foundational knowledge, or should I say everything I need to know about affiliate marketing, but also access to high value products I can promote with 50 to 70% commission. So if you're in Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, check the pinned comment for the link, or you can just send me a message on WhatsApp. The link is in the description as well. Stay with me. Let's move to number 3 of the process. Just the rundown. The first process was choosing a niche. The second, choosing an affiliate program to join. The third, which is what we're going to talk about now, is building an audience. Building an audience is a vital process and it requires careful consideration. There are 2 distinct parts that you can choose from, but it's important you stick to one. So first, we have the search-based audience. These are individuals who find content through online searches. They browse platforms like Google, where having a blog is essential for visibility. Also, they explore YouTube, where creating video content is effective. Platforms like Pinterest also fall into this category, which will require eye-catching graphics to capture attention. Utilizing platforms like Quora can also provide valuable search-driven traffic. So that's it for search-based audience. On the other hand, we have social-based audience. This includes platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, essentially any social media platform. Leveraging on these platforms allows you to cultivate audiences for your brand and affiliate marketing business. As an affiliate marketer, as a beginner, it's important to focus on developing your audience through one of these paths. Attempting to juggle both at once or all of them could slow your progress. We don't want that. So if you haven't already, create your TikTok account, create your Instagram account. These are the 2 accounts you'll be posting content on, promoting the products you've chosen. Of course, this will also depend on the niche you've chosen and where your audience are. Are they on YouTube? Are they on Facebook? No matter the platform, create an account. Whether you're choosing Instagram or TikTok, these are the 2 ways you're going to drive traffic to your affiliate marketing links, 100% free. Of course, you can also drive traffic through paid ads, Facebook or Instagram ads. Moving on to the next process. Remember, the first one was choosing a niche. The second one, choosing an affiliate program. The third, building an audience. The fourth process is crafting compelling content. Content is king in affiliate marketing. If you had chosen a niche you're interested in, then this process would be very easy for you. You have to convert your traffic to money. How do you do this? Build a landing page. This is the first page anybody on your platform will see. If you had chosen Instagram as your platform, that's the link you leave in your bio. If YouTube is the platform you've chosen, that's the link you leave in the description or your pinned comment each time you're talking about a product or a service you're promoting. So that's the first way to convert your traffic to money. The second is to create a lead magnet. You have to offer your audience something for free. If you would like me to create a video on how to build a landing page and how to create a lead magnet, let me know in the comments section. Okay. Number 3 on how to convert your traffic to money, I think I've mentioned this before, it's email sequences. Now, there are platforms that can help you do this, automate your emails, meaning from the point somebody signs up for your lead magnets, for your freebie, to the point they convert, to the point they bring you money. That email sequence will keep sending emails to them until they buy your affiliate product using your unique link. If you would like to join my private community, use the link in the description and send me a message on WhatsApp. This is 2024. We are not sleeping. If you have any questions about this video, leave them in the comment section and I will definitely respond to your question. I hope you found value in this video. Kindly share it with your friends and family and give this video a thumbs up so the YouTube algorithm can spread it to a lot of people. This is my motivation. If you're yet to subscribe to the channel, I hope you make the decision to do so. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.